Hi everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing 20 healthy foods. First one, milk. Second one, apple. Third one, banana. Fourth one, egg. Fifth one, fish. Sixth one, carrot. Seventh one, almond. Eighth one, coconut. Ninth one, salad. 10th one, pulses. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe and press bell icon to get all my videos. 11th one, nuts. 12th one, beans. 13th one, corn. 14th one, whole grains. 15th one, seasonal fruits. 16th one, cashews. 17th one, beetroot. 18th one, grapes. 19th one, cheese. 20th, all green vegetables. These are healthy foods we have to eat daily. Thank you for watching video and subscribe my channel.